Skyway 3 is now officially open to motorists. It's now hailed as an engineering marvel, and many are raving about its benefits. This edition of Motoring Forum discusses the significance of the elevated tollway to motoring in the metropolis and beyond.
Over many months and years, motorists suffered horrendous traffic in areas where construction of the Skyway 3 was taking place. In the face of complaints from angry motorists and commuters who daily are caught in gridlock, wasting many hours on the road to work and on the way back home, authorities and proponents of the Skyway 3 called for patience and understanding. The Skyway 3 will help solve traffic congestion in the metropolis, they said. When completed, travel time will shorten, hours on the commute cut, they promised. Now the Skyway 3 is complete, with up to 7 lanes in some segments, all of 18 kilometers, and with many exits and entry points in strategic areas as it snakes its way over streets and between buildings, creating a seamless link between the South Luzon Expressway and the North Luzon Expressway. Many motorists took advantage of the offer of a free ride on Skyway 3 until February 1, and the Skyway lived up to the promise of cutting travel time from Buendia and Makati to Balintawak and Quezon City to around 20 minutes. The promise of Skyway 3 reducing traffic congestion on EDSA and other major thoroughfares is expected to be fulfilled, as it was noted that full capacity, with 7 lanes available, Skyway can easily handle 50% of EDSA's traffic, or 200,000 vehicles per day. During ceremonies formally inaugurating the opening of Skyway 3, led by President Duterte, a lot of credit was passed around for the completion of the project. But more significant was the stakeholders, from government and from private sectors, all acknowledged the cooperation and collaboration were the keys to the Skyway 3's completion. President Duterte himself cited the hard work and cooperation of DPWH, CITRA, Central Expressway Corporation, and San Miguel Holdings Corporation. DPWH Secretary Mark Villar cited San Miguel Corporation and its president Ramon Ang for pushing the project forward, and the Toll Regulatory Board and Transportation Secretary Arthur Tugade for facilitating the right-of-way acquisitions. Still, it must be noted that SMC fast-tracked the completion of Skyway 3 by purchasing much of the properties along the project's right-of-way. It also funded the reconstruction of 3 bridges, the San Juan Bridge, Concordia Bridge, and Sevilla Bridge, along the alignment of the Skyway 3. During the inauguration, Ang even cited Metro Pacific Tollways Group, operator of the NLEX, and business tycoon Manny Pangilinan for making possible the extension of the original endpoint of Skyway 3 to just before the NLEX Toll Plaza. Ang paid tribute to the talent and skills of Filipino engineers and workers and the years of hard work and collaboration between government and the private sector towards the creation of what he described as an engineering marvel. The completion and opening of Skyway 3 has raised expectations for an easing of traffic congestion on EDSA, C5, and other major thoroughfares in Metro Manila. The Skyway system now comprises 38 kilometers of elevated expressways with 36 on- and off-ramp access points, and SMC promises more elevated tollways to be built in the metro. It is expected that the construction of new elevated tollways will surely have an effect on traffic congestion. Perhaps the expectations of improved traffic, like what happened to Skyway 3, will ease the pain of the congestion suffered while construction is going on.
Completion of the Skyway 3 and how it is now benefiting motorists and the economy shows authorities were in the right when they asked the public for patience, while its construction caused a lot of congestion and hardship for commuters and motorists. This should serve authorities well, as more of same infrastructure are planned and implemented. That's our Motoring Forum this week, courtesy of Suzuki Philippines.